In a world where digital presence is everything, businesses are constantly searching for innovative solutions to stand out from the crowd. Introducing FlyQR, the revolutionary app that empowers you to help any business thrive with a high-demand service. FlyQR is not just an app, it's your gateway to offering a unique and essential service. With FlyQR, you can easily design 14 different types of branded, trackable QR codes in a minute or less. And guess what? No design skills are required. It's built for beginners like you. Choose from a wide array of QR code types, including static and dynamic options. Experience real-time QR code previews as you navigate the intuitive design process. Once you're satisfied, instantly download your QR codes in PNG or SVG formats. FlyQR speaks every language, allowing you to design QR codes that resonate globally. Make your QR codes stand out with dozens of ready-made shapes tailored to different business niches. Whether it's a restaurant, a tech startup, or a local service provider, FlyQR has the perfect design elements to make an impact. Editing and managing your QR codes has never been easier. FlyQR allows you to tweak and fine-tune your designs easily. Stay in control and keep your QR codes up to date with ease. Access detailed analytics to track how your QR codes are performing over time. Understand your audience better and refine your approach for maximum impact. Users love FlyQR. Join the community of satisfied customers who are already making a difference in the digital landscape. Not only does FlyQR offer a high-demand service to businesses, but it also opens up opportunities for you. Consider offering professional QR code design services on freelancing sites and watch your business soar. FlyQR provides everything you need to get started today. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Download FlyQR now and unlock the power of branded, trackable QR codes for businesses. FlyQR, your key to making a lasting impact in the digital world. Download now and let your business take flight.